Two TVs, same size, same price. So should you buy the NanoCell or Crystal UHD? Let's check it out. So what it is, the NanoCell. So NanoCell is LG's display technology. It uses nanoparticles to filter colors and improve color accuracy, especially when you are watching from this side. Think of it as LG's upgraded LED TV experience. Crystal UHD, on the other hand, is Samsung's branding for its entry into mid-range 4K LED TVs. It focuses on sharp 4K resolution, vibrant colors, and strong image processing at a more affordable price. So here's the important part. Both are still LED TVs. Neither is OLED, so don't expect perfect balances or flagship level contrast. The pros of NanoCell is that if you watch a lot of sports, movies, or content with multiple people in the room, then NanoCell has some advantage like better viewing angles, more natural and balanced color reproduction. Usually comes with higher refresh rates in premium models. So for gamers, some NanoCell TVs also include HDMI 2 ports as well. And for Crystal UHD, usually it shines in the value for money because generally it's more affordable than NanoCell, and Samsung's image processing makes the 4K content look so sharp and punchy, and it's better contrast in many models. So if you mainly stream Netflix, YouTube, or casual TV content, then Crystal UHD gets the job done without overspending. On the downsides of these two technologies, that like the for NanoCell, the back levels are not great compared to OLED or even some VA panels. The contrast can look weak in dark rooms. Whereas Crystal UHDs, the viewing angles are weaker, so not like NanoCell, and motion handling isn't the best in lower end models. So for casual viewers, if you just want a reliable 4K TV for movie streaming and everyday use, then Crystal UHD is probably a smarter buy. You can save money as well, and you will still get the solid picture quality regardless. But for movie lovers or families, if multiple people watch together or you care about more accurate colors or wider viewing angle, then NanoCell gives you a better experiences. And for gamers, if you are gaming competitively or want like 120 Hz support, then check higher end NanoCell models first, because if you're a casual gamer, then Crystal UHD also is fine for you too.